Okay, hopefully I get this on video, but what I'm going to do is the last time I was out in the hangar I ripped that off, so I'm going to glue that back on, and I'm going to use a mixture of foam tack and foam tack. Now the only reason why I'm putting foam tack on it, this foam tack, is because this dries faster. I don't think I'm going to get to fly it this weekend, simply because of, you hear the wind, simply because of the wind. Put that glue on it. Let's see, I just want to get the pieces. That actually is pretty good right there. That actually looks pretty good right there. Okay, there's the first part, gluing that on. You see the winds, we got winds. They're blowing crazy. You see the Army flying over there. I don't know if you can see the helicopters or not. They got the stage field right there. That's where they fly. I've shot videos in the stage fields. But these are the winds we're supposed to have this weekend. So that's gonna probably decide on whether I fly or not. It's not so much because I'm afraid to fly in the winds, but I fly in the wind a lot, as you can see from all my videos. I'm not afraid of the wind. Big difference though between an occasional gust in the 20s and wind always in the 20s. Oh, that's right, the beacon, yeah, that stuff will come off with water. Then I'm just going to take a damp rag. Not really worried about it. There we go, that's it. And when it dries, I'll flip it over and I'll put some foam tack on the other hinge, and shoot, I might as well foam tack this other one, because I banged it. How I managed to rip that was actually in the hauler. I had, I don't know, I had probably 4 planes in the car, and when I went to put my bag in the back, I pushed it. I pushed just a little bit. Just a little bit. And managed to just pushed it a little bit and managed to get some on. I normally have like a little tray that I can put some glue, a dab of glue on, but I don't have one handy, so we're just going to drive with it. I love this stuff though for doing the hinges, because like I guarantee it, once this stuff dries on this hinge, it won't break off. You don't need a thick coat, just a little thin coat. That should work. Let's come over here. I've got several videos of foam tacking hinges. Like you see, the hinge has just got a little cracks in it and stuff, but you know, it's foam, it's going to look that way. This plane is, jeez, I don't know, it was when the Waco by Dynam first was available for sale at Nitro Planes is when I bought this way back. I think I've had this plane for 8 years. I bought this before I was really ready to start flying it. But it's been a good flyer. that's it. Let's put that back in there. Put the cap on this. Swish this around in the water. The wife's going to be coming back, so I didn't want to use. Normally I just grab a dish out of the cupboard, but there you can see the brush is clean. It'll be ready to go again. I'll use it. Make sure I got the caps on everything. Yeah, but there's the there is my Hawker Hurricane with the new fuse on it, all ready to go. And one thing you'll notice that after that crash, none of the control surfaces broke because I foam tacked them. So none of the control surfaces came off on that vicious crash. Holy cow. But there you go. That'll be as good as new. As soon as that dries, I'll let that set for a while, at least till the foam tack dries. Then I'm going to flip it over and put some foam TACK on the bottom side of the horizontal, and she'll be ready to roll again. There you go, in the hanger.